Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Betal, and in this video we discuss about the compounds that are not giving Lassine test for nitrogen. You know that for nitrogen Lassine test is important test for the confirmation of nitrogen, but for some compounds this Lassine test for the detection of nitrogen does not work. So what are the reasons for these compounds does not give or does not perform in the Lassine test, or Lassine test cannot detect this compound, but this compound contain nitrogen? So this is the point of discussions, topic of discussion right now. We discuss about this topic. So before starting discussion, I would like to say that if you are new to this channel or you do not subscribe this channel, then it is the time to subscribe this channel to see more this type of videos and hit the bell button to get the notification of uploading new video. Okay, so we start our discussions about that which compounds are failure to give Lassine test, but these compounds already have nitrogen atom, but after all the compound is not showing Lassine test. What are the reasons? Suppose we talk about this compound. This is benzene diazonium chloride, and in benzene diazonium chloride this is not performing Lassine test. We cannot detect the presence of nitrogen in the benzene diazonium chloride. We cannot detect this nitrogen in benzene diazonium chloride. Why? The reason is that on heating benzene diazonium chloride produce nitrogen gas. Okay, on heating benzene diazonium chloride produce nitrogen gas along with the cation and Cl minus. Okay, so on heating this benzene in Lassine test, we heat the sodium metal and the compound organic compounds together. At that time the nitrogen present in benzene diazonium chloride will evolve as nitrogen gas, and as nitrogen present in benzene diazonium chloride is evolved as nitrogen gas, then in Lassine extract this sodium cyanide cannot be formed. In Lassine extract this sodium cyanide cannot be formed. Okay, because here the entire nitrogen is evolved on heating in the first step of the preparation of sodium extract. Okay, so first step of preparation of sodium extract, this entire nitrogen is evolved. Okay, actually it is plus this cation plus N2 and plus Cl minus. After that, if we talk about this hydrazine and hydrazoic acid, in hydrazine no carbon, it does not have any carbon atom. Here only nitrogen is present, and in the Lassine extract NaCN is not formed. In the Lassine extract, as it is no carbon containing compound, so no carbon containing compounds cannot form sodium cyanide in the Lassine extract. Okay, so when it is heated with the sodium metal to form the sodium extract, this compound cannot form the sodium cyanide, and in the case of hydrazoic acid the same problem is coming. Here also no carbon is present, and due to the absence of carbon atom in these compounds, this compound cannot form sodium cyanide in the first step of the Lassine test. In the Lassine test, first step, what we do, we heat the compound, organic compound, with sodium metal. Okay, so in this step, as these compounds does not contain any carbon atom, these cannot form sodium cyanide on the first step of heating of the compound with sodium metal, and for this reason this type of compound cannot perform the Lassine test. Okay, so for this type of compound, the compound fails to show positive Lassine test. So this is about the discussions of the failure of some compounds in Lassine test for nitrogen, and it is the details discussion about this failure of Lassine test for some compounds. uh, if you find this video is useful to you, then like this video, and if you find this channel is important to you, then subscribe this channel, and you can hit the notification button to get the all upload notification. Thank you for watching this video.